Good morning, everybody. It is day 11 of digital learning. This is Miss Cannon. I'm going to read through science with you. So the actual day is Monday, March 30th. And this week we are going to be talking about what the difference between a nail and a screw are. All right, so I'm going to start at the top. Well, first let's go over vocabulary. On the side here, it gives us screw. It is a simple machine that changes a circular force to an up or down force. Then we have wedge, a simple machine such as a nail or an axe that changes the angle and direction of a force. Okay? All right, so now reading from the top. It says, what is the difference between a nail and a screw? If you've ever looked inside a messy toolbox, you've probably found nails and screws mixed together. Both are tools that help us hold things in place. A nail is an example of a simple machine called a wedge. A screw is another type of simple machine. Remember that simple machines help us do work, and that work is the use of force to move something a certain distance. When you use a wedge or a screw, the force that you apply changes direction. All right. In A, it says look at the picture, then follow the directions. Use the vocabulary words to label each simple machine. Okay, so the vocabulary words here, you're going to use screw or wedge to label the simple machine. So this first one, is this a screw or a wedge? All right, and then this next one, is this a screw or a wedge? You're going to label it right here. Okay, it says draw arrows to show how you think the direction of the force being applied to each simple machine might change. Okay, so here the force is turning. Where is that simple machine actually going? Here again, they're hitting down, they're forcing it this way. Is that changing or is it staying the same? Or when it goes in, what happens to the wood? Think about that kind of thing. All right, B. Use words from the passage to complete the sentence. A circular force is applied to a blank. All right, all of these are going to be in this top paragraph here. Word for word. A nail is an example of a blank. Screws and wedges are blanks. When you apply force to a nail or a screw, the force blank. Okay, again, all of B will be found word for word up here in the passage. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Remind 101 or on Dojo. Just snap a shot of the question, send me a picture of it. That's probably the easiest. All right, guys, have a great Monday, and I will see you again soon, or I will see you this Friday on Zoom, but I will talk to you again tomorrow. All right, guys, bye.